5:50 in the morning. Just got up so that I can fresh up and get ready to head out to Manali. And I needed some hot water to fresh up. This is the only source of hot water. And look at the speed. It's been, 5 minutes? Rest of the guys are still sleeping. Well, it's probably time to wake them up because we want to reach Manali early so that we can avoid any water crossings which are problematic. On our way to Manali. Another 5 hours, 200 kilometers. Decent camp. Works for a night stay. Good service. Gold Drop, Sarchu camps. Food was good. And you had hot water in the morning. By afternoon we should reach Manali. Once we get signals we'll book the hotel. But I think the worst part of this Leh-Manali route is done. And it's not as worse as people say. Compared to Srinagar Leh-Manali is a beautiful road. All the more challenging. So they have laid out this route. But that area is not done yet. And you keep getting patches like these. But manageable patches. With this bike, hardly feel any difference. This is the first breakfast stop that we had last time. आगे और एक सुंदर lake रहता है, very beautiful lake ahead. This, I don't think it is this one. That will be very blue, like Pangong blue, or it will be frozen. Baralacha Pass, altitude 4,850 meters. Hands up! Suraj blue. हो गया ये तो हो गया. ఉందా అటేనా? ఓకే, ఐ am taking that. ఓహో ఖడ్డే, అది ఫుల్ ఖడ్డే షార్ట్ కట్. We don't have any signal, we don't have any navigation, but we're just following the flow of the road. It's a straight road and you get these nice signboards, so the chance of missing a route or something is rare. But Himachal is beautiful here. Yeah, this was the scariest waterfall. Arey yeah, fully repaired, normal ho gaya. We stopped here. Shoes were wet, lot of traffic, lot of bikers. Yeah, done. They cleared that up, and it used to be wider also. Entered Darcha, so this is the first checkpost. We have to enter here. There is another route on top of this mountain. We took a left turn here. That goes straight through Zanskar Valley to Leh. Maybe next time we'll explore that route. This feels like a new bridge. The beautiful Jispa. I think that is Rohtang Pass, if I'm not wrong. Feels like everything's Rohtang Pass now. Now because we're not doing it. A quick break here. Bharadwaj Fruit Wine Shop. Hi Bharadwaj. Camp Jispa journey. Arre, kinda camp ki idira entry. Shiva. Oh. Tarira. Ah, full snow cap mountain there up top. Full snow. Jispa ho gaya abhi Keylong. Beautiful Keylong. Arre, beautiful yaar. Himachal is beautiful. 72 kilometers, 1 hour 47 minutes. Rohtang Pass through there. Project Deepak welcomes you to Chandra Bridge. Atal is an informal name emo. Kada. Atal Tunnel. Cruise controls on. I would actually prefer Rohtang. 11 kilometers. So let's talk some facts. So this tunnel was built to avoid 3-4 hours of traffic through Rohtang, which is hardly maintained. This ensures all-weather passage. Thanks and visit again. This is the end of Atal Tunnel. Stoppage in tunnel can be stoppage in Manali Jailanta. Are beautiful. Manali రాలేదు ఇంకా. This area looks beautiful. Oh, this is risky. ఇక్కడ పవర్ లైన్లు పెట్టుకుని దిగిండు. Just reached Manali, as you can see, fully congested roads with a lot of hotels. We just stopped for refueling so that we don't have that headache tomorrow. But the best part of today's ride, 175 kilometers almost and 30 kilometers per liter. Of that, break time is almost 1.5 hours. Amazing, na? Chalo, let's check into the hotel and then tomorrow to Chandigarh. That's where the ride ends mostly. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and when you're watching this. Welcome to a new vlog. There you see in the background Shiva getting ready. Always first to get ready.
Good morning, Anangane. Camera pan chesadu.
Enakala unnara. Ready konna pant.
నేనేదో నా మాటలే నేర్చుకుందాం అనుకుంటే
ఆ ప్యాంట్ పడుతుంది శివ ట్రిప్ అయ్యాక లూజ్ అయిందా?
ఏం పట్టదు.
నువ్వు తగ్గా,
ఇంకా లావునప్పుడు ప్యాంట్.
నువ్వు వెయిట్ తగ్గావు
అవునా?
ట్రిప్ స్టార్టింగ్కి ఇప్పటికి.
ఏయ్ ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి తినచ్చు అన్నమాట అయితే.
ఓ 10 గులాబ్ జాములు వేసేయచ్చు.
ఏయ్ ఎక్సలెంట్.
We stayed in this hotel called Sun Park. There is a lot of sun as you can see here, and that's the lovely view of Manali. We parked our bikes somewhere there, but just take a look at this view here. I want a hotel stay right at the top there. Somehow we expected better, maybe even luxurious hotels in Manali. Couldn't find any of them. This was the best of the lot. Some of them were either charging too much or it's just not that great. At least the view in the morning was good. Nice blue skies with some greenery. Proper hill station feels are. It's kind of hot though, 21-25 tak hai. And now we're heading to Chandigarh, which is going to be much hotter. And this is the last leg of the journey, guys. Shiva, last ride of the day of the trip. Last ride of the trip.
I'm already at home.
We are already at home since 3-4 days. Enjoyed the overall trip?
Oh yes.
Had fun?
Oh yes. నెక్స్ట్ ఎటు వెళ్తున్నాం ఇంతకి?
నార్త్ ఈస్ట్,
మళ్ళీ కొండల.
స్పితి కొండలు, నార్త్ ఈస్ట్ కొండలు, నేపాల్ కొండలు. బీచ్కి వస్తానని చెప్పు, గోవా బీచ్.
స్నో అయిపోయింది, కొండలు అయిపోయినాయి, ఫారెస్ట్ అవ్వలేదు రా మాది.
వయనాడ్, కేరళ.
ఐ థింక్ వీ నీడ్ టు డూ సంథింగ్ మోర్ గ్రీన్.
కొడై. Kodai doable, bike pe. Yeah, maybe some forest, tiger reserve.
Jharkhand.
Yeah, Chhattisgarh.
Chhattisgarh.
Yeah, we need to find a different scenery. I think we got too much used to beaches and mountains, but let's see. By the time you see this video, maybe we would be chilling in
Hush Cafe having coffee.
So sudden there will be a shift. We're in Hyderabad. Kind of feels rushed out the last few days.
అరే మన చాయ్ ఏంట్రా, చాయ్ పేరు గుర్తు తందూరి చాయ్.
Tandoori chai, DLF tandoori chai. But I feel this is kind of rushed అనిపిస్తుంది. Like suddenly trip అయిపోయి suddenly we're shipping our bikes. Touch wood, hopefully this time it should be fine. Last time a lot of you commented that you buy expensive bikes, you can't ride back, etc. It's not that we can't ride back. We have priorities. Home, family are the priority. So if we have to do the same route, we would avoid it and ship. And this time we're hoping for a reliable shipper. Touch wood. కావాల్సిన wood ఇక్కడ. So hopefully this time it's fine. We're taking extra precaution. Lessons learned hard way. That's the plan for today. Chandigarh, tomorrow shipping, and then by tomorrow night we'll be in Hyderabad. Definitely would have loved to stay here for 3-4 days here. So much to do. Trekking. Arey, look at that water gushing out. Shiva. And quite a few hip places here, hip restaurants and cafes that we haven't been to. The road's been like this for a long time. Bad roads, nice road, bad roads, nice road, mitti. Yeah, some dust, some road, some traffic, single roads, cities, towns. Frustrating route, yeah, frustrating route. You can't open the visor because there is a lot of dirt. If you keep the visor closed, a lot of sweat. It's hot, humid, 35 degrees. Worst road, worst ride. Another 2 hours 15 minutes or 95 kilometers to the hotel, and this destination is not coming at all. But I think in 30-40 kilometers we will have a 4-lane. Finally we got a flat road that's not in the mountains. The temperature, the weather is less humid, and another 1.5 hours to go, or 77 kilometers. When we started Manali, it said the ETA was 7, now 7:40. Not bad considering the amount of breaks we did and how irritating and tiring the ride was. Chai, chini kammu, patates gadi. ఏంది
హెల్మెట్ తీరా అందరూ ఒక సెల్ఫీ తీరా
దిగుదాం నీ చూపిద్దామని ఒక్కసారి ఆగు. Can I? Lovely town of Chandigarh. Pakka planning, everything organized, neatly laid out. If there was a city that was planned well, it would be this. Good morning guys, we're in Chandigarh. That's Elante Mall by the side. We can see it. Literally, we can just step out of the hotel and enter Elante Mall. We came in around 8 o'clock, but didn't have any mood to record because that was one of the most tiring and terrible and boring rides that we had throughout my riding life. You might think this is the room that we're staying in, and you might be wondering where the bed is. That's the bed. And that's the bathroom. Just take a look at this. Wardrobe. Another space here. Shower area, WC area, and a tub. That's a lovely room we're staying in. We are checking out of Chandigarh now, heading to the BMW showroom because we're going to ship our bikes from here. We're not riding them. Unlike last time when we shipped our bikes, this time we're going to take extra precaution. So we're heading to the BMW showroom, have a technician there. The truck is already there, so we're going to coordinate the packing and unloading. Till we load the bike, till we're confident, we're not going to book a return. We're not going to book our flight. Look at our bikes. The shoes, the riding gears in the top box. The bags are remaining, the rest of the bags are the same, and the top box bag is behind me. Wow, feels so good without the riding gear. Some nice hair. I didn't want to wear the helmet today, but had to wear the smelly helmet. I don't see our truck. Right, अरे ब्लू कलर कार है मन सामने 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 सामने. Bikes getting packed into the cage. This is a better packaging system here, like these ratchet straps. With bags. All the bikes are packed, including luggage. Ready to go. Bye bye. See you in Hyderabad.